Golden Jubilee members. I will request Senator Dar to please stay on stage because we have some more work for you. This will take some time. Please wait and hold it. And I will also request President ICAP and VP North to stay on stage, please. Thank you very much. Thank you. Session, and this is the concluding conference, but we reached this golden jubilee because of our forefathers and the amount of work and effort and dedication and energy they put in. That is why we are here enjoying these celebrations. And we would be failing a duty if we do not express our gratitude to our forefathers and leaders who faced tremendous challenges and have been instrumental in adding glory to our institute and its achievements. These stalwarts faced crisis with energy, courage, determination, and delivered to perfection. Our senior members have worked hard to provide a rich legacy for us to take forward. We are lucky to have our Golden Jubilee members present amongst us and highly value their blessings at this momentous occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, now we are going to honor our Golden Jubilee members, that is those members who have completed 50 years of service to the profession. We have a few of them with us here and we would request them to come on stage. Those members who are not here and who have family present, they're also requested to come and take their plaques. I'm reading out the profiles and the names in number of registration, in order of registration. Mr. Sheikh Mohammed Masood. The managing partner of SM Masood and Company Chartered Accountants has an experience of 6 decades of public practice. He has served as council member of the Institute for 17 years, during which he was elected as vice president for over 9 terms. He has also served on various committees of the Institute. He has been a member of several international associations and has acted in many advisory capacities to the government of Pakistan. He has been appointed by the CLA, NAB and High Court Lahore for various responsibilities and special assignments. Mr. Riaz Ahmed. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Riaz Ahmed is not here with us today, but let's have a round of applause for him. But we have somebody who's accepting the shield on his behalf. Mr. Abdul Ahad Farooqi. He was enrolled as an associate member on 1st July 1961. He has worked in various managerial positions at WABDA. He subsequently joined Segal Group of companies where he held important positions in various companies managed over there. Mr. Iqbal Umar. Do we? He's here? Presently, he is practicing under the name of MS Mushir and Company Chartered Accountants. He has a multifarious exposure in the areas of cost management, financial management, audits and production, consultancy and banks. He's been doing secretarial practices concerned with Security and Exchange Commission of Pakistan and consultancy regarding FPR-related matters. Mr. Abdul Hamid Chaudhry. Ladies and gentlemen, Chaudhry Sahib is not feeling well. Please pray for his speedy recovery. He's in the hospital right now, and he needs all our prayers. He has the distinction of being one of the founder members of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Pakistan. He served the Institute as council member for over 25 years, and he was the president of the Institute in 1991-92. And currently he is chairman building committee. Mr. Shamim Ahmed Sayyed. He was appointed chairman of CS Students Association with the sole object of solving student problems. Ministry of Commerce appointed him as special auditor for insurance companies. Mr. Muhammad Khalil Mia is not here with us. Do we have somebody who's going to receive this plaque for him? Mr. Fakhruddin Yusuf Ali. Mr. Muhammad Razi Jafri. Mr. Javed Zafar. Okay. So unfortunately, the remaining members have been unable to join us here today. So Usman is going to accept another plaque on behalf of, whom are you accepting it on behalf of? On behalf of Mr. Javed Zafar. So let's have a round of applause for that. Well, ladies and gentlemen, there is another round of shields to be given away by our chief guest. So, are you coming on stage for this? Well, this conference that was put together with a lot of hard work, grueling sessions, discussions. You know, there was the marketing aspect, there was the fundraising aspect, there was designing, collection of speakers. So we had an organizing committee that put together this entire conference, and now we are going to honor the organizing committee for the concluding conference of the Golden Jubilee celebrations. The first member of this committee, of course, is our president, Mr. Rashid